niya, sino yung personality ko? Eh wala namang Michael Yang doon. Kasi kung naandun yung Michael Yang, hahanapin namin. Maliit lang ang Davao, Mr. Chair eh. Hanapin namin. But si Johnson Chua, eh lumabas kasi yung pangalan ni Johnson Chua doon sa toll record na nakita na nasa Davao City. So we identified na naandun yung Johnson Chua. But hindi pa namin namumukaan kung sino yung Johnson Chua during that time. Kasi focus kami, Mr. Chair, sa laboratory. Nakatakas yung Johnson Chua na sana nakuha namin, Mr. Chair. Kasi nung January 1, nagdatingan lahat ng big sa Davao City, sir eh. Naando si late General Reyes, naando si DG Abinido, naandun si General Aglipay, naandun si General De Leon. So naandun lahat. Instead of me conducting post-operation, intelligence operation, investigation, nag-entertain kami, sir, ng bisita on January 1. Doon nakatakas si Johnson Chua, sir. Na sana, na-identify yung yung bahay. Later na namin na-identify yung bahay eh.
So, nag-entertain muna kayo ng bisita bago na...
That's what happened, Mr. Chair.
Baklase yun. This guy is a big-time drug lord. And napataka siya because nag-entertain tayo ng bisita. Anyway, so lastly, ito, there were reports, no? According to, if I'm not mistaken, I heard it dun sa statement ni Mr. Las Cañas, no? Na itong mga Chinese nationals na nahuli ay tinanong siya, no? Tinanong sila, nasan yung inyong passport? Yung inyong para ma-ascertain yung identities nitong mga to. And they mentioned the name na nasa boss namin. Sabi nila, nasa boss namin, ang pangalan ng boss nila ay si Mr. Michael Yang. So, and that actually is the information na nakuha ng informer. Kaya nalaman natin na itong si Michael Yang ay may malaking posibilidad na involved dito sa Johnson Chua drug syndicate.
Mr. Chair, si Las Cañas wala doon sa operation eh. Wala nga, hindi ko nga nakita during 3 months of operation namin yung mukha ni Las Cañas eh. Kaya hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling yung sinasabi niya eh.
Okay, so sige, that's noted. The next to interpolate is Congressman Keith Flores. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.